Hello all, welcome back. So today we will see another interview question. So here we will have to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. So let me show you what is a palindrome. So let's say if the input is mom, so its reverse will be the same mom. So in this case the word is a palindrome. And let's say if the input is bat, so the reverse will be tab. So in this case bat and tab are not equal, so this is not a palindrome. So for a number to be a palindrome, the reverse and the string both should be same. So then we can say that yes, it's the palindrome. So some examples of palindrome are mom, then dad. So these things are a kind of a palindrome. So let's write a code to check if the string is palindrome or not. So let's name this as a palindrome check the main method, and let's say finish. Okay, so now let's take the string s as mom. Okay, and let's take a reverse. Now we will have to write the logic for reversing this string, which we have earlier saw in the videos. So let's write the code. Equals s dot length -1 till I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So this loop will iterate in a reverse manner, and we will extract the values. Start char at index I. So now it's done. So in the reverse we will kind of capture the string in the reverse manner, and now we will just have to write one logic. If s dot equals ignore case and reverse. So yeah, here this is checking the between s and reverse, and if those two are kind of equal, then we will print that the string is palindrome. Else we will print it's not palindrome. Let's check this code by running it. The string is palindrome. Okay, because, and let's change the string. Let's say I will use hello. So this time the reverse should be a different one, and this should not be a palindrome. So let's check. The string is not palindrome. Okay, so this code is working fine, and this is one of the famous interview questions. So yeah, thanks all.